Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and today I have a product review, a little unboxing for you. So this is a screwdriver. It's an electric screwdriver, and I'm actually kind of excited about it. And once I open it, you'll see why. So this is the company Katerk, and they reached out and asked if I wanted to review their product, and I said sure, why not? Because I'm always looking for a good screwdriver. So look at this. It's pink. It is so cute. It's an electric screwdriver. I do have like a hand screwdriver that I keep at my desk at all times, my crafty desk, because you never know when you might need it. And it's like a little cobalt ratcheting one that comes in handy a lot. But you know, electric is better for, you know, us people, that anybody that has like, you know, carpal tunnel, just RA, anything like that. And look at it. I just want to see how cute it is. It's so cute. I love, love, love the little compartment it comes in. So this is what she looks like. Let's see. Okay, so this is on. So this is your torque level. So you have like 1, 2, and 3 different levels. So it even has an LED light. So this is level 2 and level 3. So level 3 is probably like furniture, which I do need to order some new furniture to put in my craft room. So this will come in handy. So this gives you all the info, which I believe that the ampule hours, I think this is around 10 hours of, like, you know, from fully charged to dead. You get all of these bits. So it looks like we have, what is it, 12 bits, and I think 5 different kinds. So you have your standard little star bits. That's what you'd use the most. You have your little flathead. You have your hexagon ones, and then your, yeah, these are like little star ones too. I think these ones are like these are gonna be like IKEA stuff, US stuff. I don't know if I've ever really used little bits that look like this, but I'm sure there's stuff out there. But let's, you know, I was looking around my room and I'm like, well, what am I gonna do? I don't have anything that I can put together, I don't think. Let's see if I have something I can take apart. All right, we have like a little glue gun stand here. Let's see, does it have, where's, it's gotta have, oh, reverse, front, back. So let's, I think this one will fit. This one fits. Let's see. So this is just like as slow as it goes, which is probably good. Let's see if I bump it up. Oh, there we go. Is it magnetic? Oh, it is got a slight magnetic tip to it, which a lot of screwdrivers have. So hold it barely, but not like enough. You have to put some pressure on there. So let's put this back together. We want to put it back together. I'm probably gonna slow that down back to 1, and we're gonna put those back in. Nice and easy. This will be great for, like, yeah, putting random things together. Usually, if I'm putting together like big things of furniture, I'll pull out like the good old drill, like a Milwaukee, my husband's stuff. But for stuff in my craft room, like just little things that I might put together or take apart, I think that this is great. That worked out really well. And I love like the storage it has. I like the little bits. Like, this is going to be easy to just kind of put in my desk and let it stay there and live. This is on Amazon. I think it's $39.99, but I do have a 10% code. So I'll link everything down in the bio, but this is pretty handy. I really like this. I like that it's pink. It's definitely given girl craft room vibes for sure. I will definitely be using it next time I have to put something together, because Yes. It's everything that I need all in one, and I like anything electric. Like I said, I have a handheld one that's ratcheting, but that's not electric. Sometimes I can find the batteries to my husband's stuff, sometimes I can't. So if I don't have to rely on his stuff and I have my own, that's great. Here's all of, you know, the detailed details of the screwdriver, but I mean, it's an electric screwdriver. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you really wanted to get into all the little details, it has a pretty good little manual. See, like it says like battery capacity 1500 manual amp hours. Most people are not going to know that, but I'm pretty sure 1500 equates to about 10 hours. For 4-volt max. It's C compatible, so it's C charging. It needs a C cable, and then just other things that are not going to matter to me. I just need in, out, up, down, charge. So I think that this is really like easy user, girl friendly stuff, something that you don't have to really think too much on, or read a big old manual to operate. It's pretty self-explanatory, and yeah, I'll probably take out the manual screwdriver and replace it with this. I'm gradually, changing everything else out to like rechargeable. Why would I want to do anything by hand anymore if I can do it electrically? I mean, our hands only last for so long, and if you deal with any kind of chronic illness, I do, your hands get really stiff and sore, and if you can make things easier, you will. So I think that this is a great brand. So if they reach out to you, it's a good opportunity. I'm like I said, $39.99, not bad. I think that this will be a good gift too, especially for Mother's Day. So tell your hubbies to go check out your Amazon wish list. So I'm going to put this down. I'll put a link. I have the 10% code, so you get 10% off. And yeah, I think this is a good purchase. I'm very, very happy with it. And now I'm going to be looking around my room for stuff that I can take apart and put back together. I do have a bookshelf that I need to be taken down and putting away, but I have to clean and empty out my whole room. I'm going to be putting up pegboard and stuff like that, so I'm going to try to put this to use. Maybe I'll do another video or give you an updated review on what I think of it, but so far, so good. So if you have any questions, let me know, and if not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.